If you want to change the sound EQ on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, you can, for example, try to use the music app that is pre-installed on your phone. So if you go over here, if you open this app, then you can actually swipe over here at the upper side in order to find this purple button, which allows you to switch to the equalizer over here, and then we can tap on the equalizer text to turn on the equalizer, and then we can use it over here. We have a couple of presets that we can use. We can also manually adjust the preset, or you can use the bass booster over here. However, there is a chance that this sound equalizer is going to work for you only within this app, which is probably not something that you're looking for. So if that is the case, or if you're just looking for a better audio equalizer, you can go to the Play Store. Then we can use the search at the bottom of the screen, then the search field at the top. And we can just simply type equalizer over here to try to find many different equalizers that we can get on our phone. So you can try to find your favorite one. Of course, as you can see, there are many different equalizer apps that we can use. I'm gonna use this one as an example. But, of course, feel free to try any of them. So if this one doesn't work for you, or if you don't like it for some reason, try anything else. So once we open the app, we can turn it on quite easily. We can skip the premium offer. We can turn it on here in the upper left corner, and we need to grant all the necessary permissions to make it work. Here on the right side, we have profiles or presets. We can, of course, adjust the preset by ourselves. We can create our own one. And at the bottom, we have some additional options like the bass boost, loudness, audio balance, and virtualizer. In the upper right corner, we can also find settings, which you might want to check out. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.